Hello, and welcome to the channel The BI Nerd. In this 1-minute Power BI video, we will learn to add weekday number to your data using DAX function. I will add a new column with weekday number next to the data column. To do that, I will click on New Column icon. This will open the bar to write DAX function. Now, I will type my DAX formula. Weekday equals to weekday, date, then select the date table. Then select return value. Select 1 if you want to number Sunday to Monday as 1 to 7. Select 2 if you want to number Monday to Sunday as 1 to 7. Select 3 if you want to number Monday to Sunday as 0 to 6. Now we have successfully added the weekday number column to our data.
If you want to learn to create an awesome-looking dashboard like this in less than 20 minutes, then click on the link above or click on the end screen video. Thank you. Please subscribe to the channel and get regular updates. Also,